This video, we're going to talk about how to fix or enable the FACEIT TPM 2.0 if it's actually having error for enabling. So enabling it is actually a critical security feature in modern PCs and is required to install Windows 11 to maintain the integrity of competitive play. So TPM or Trusted Platform Module 2.0 is a security chip in your computer's motherboard that provides hardware-based security. To check your current settings, you can just press Windows key and type tpm.msc and press enter in order to actually see it. Then the windows will open, you can see its status field, and it should be ready for use. Now you can also see if its status, if it's actually enabled, and if it's disabled, you need to install Windows altogether in order to actually use it right here. So enabling this and a UEFI is done in your computer's BIOS. So you can change the settings. It can vary on how to open it based on your actual PC's model. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.